Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable live translate on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So guys, if you're visiting abroad or you are in a country where you receive call but the language is different and you want to translate it live during the call. So how you're going to do it? Just open your phone application on your Samsung S25 Ultra, then tap on the three dots here, then go to settings. In the settings, you will find the option Live Translate. All you need to do is to tap on it. If it is not enabled, all you need to do is to enable it from here. Now, me option is that the language that you want the translation to be done. So if you tap on the language, then select language from this list. I will select English, and all you need to do is to download it first. So guys, once that language is downloaded, you will find the other person, the person who is calling you, the language of that person. So all you need to do is to tap here and then select the language, which I did here. And then you can tap right here. You can select the voice and then speech rate. So you can make it slow or faster. It depends on you. And you can hear the voice as well, that if you understand, you can make it faster or slower. It depends on you. Now, once you do all these settings, now when you go back and when you receive a call, there will be an option here, Live Translate. All you need to do is to tap on it. It will open another tab for you. And there, when you're talking, it will be live translated from the person who is speaking to you to the language that you selected. So guys, it's a very good feature if you're traveling abroad and you don't know the language and you still need to communicate with people. It will auto translate it for you. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.